Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoingem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is an Altcoin Chart Request video, and today we are going to look at Hbar, Lukso, and XCUR or the Curate project. So I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Let us begin today's video. And guys, if you take just few seconds and please like the video, it would really help me and make me motivated. You can also subscribe to the channel and you will never miss an update and you will always get new content that I put on. So do like the video and subscribe to the channel. So we are looking at Hbar daily chart, and this is an Hbar USDT chart. What we can clearly see is that Hbar has broken out of this downtrend and is trending up like almost every alt right now. So the important price point for Hbar, which you need to see, is that it has flipped 19 cents, so almost 20 cents into support. This is the most important price reversal. This is the reversal, and this is the price that should hold as support, in my opinion, and which it is holding right now. So this I see as a very bullish chart for Hbar. This entire thing is personally looking very choppy to me, but even by being choppy, it is uptrending. You can see this is a lot of choppy region. Just look at this. So the important, it's right now ranging between two resistance and support, that is at 26 cents and 23 cents. So these are all the levels that you see I have marked. But what overall I see is Hbar, if we keep continuing this uptrend in the overall market, then it is definitely going to hit its all-time high at around 40 cents, and it might ultimately create a new all-time high also. So overall, Hbar is looking good and looking bullish to me. And if we even follow our bull support band, then it looks that it is flipped bullish just a week back. So it's overall looking very bullish to me. If you look at Hbar BTC, then we can see that Hbar BTC again is currently getting resisted by an important price point. This black line that you see is an important price point, in my opinion. Unless and until we don't create it as support, I don't expect Hbar to trend high on the Bitcoin chart. But if I'm looking at overall this Hbar chart, then I can see it is constantly in this range since almost 6 months. So it is moving sideways in this range, where this is the range low at around 444 satoshis, and this is the range high at around 788 satoshis. So this is a pivot price, in my opinion, at around 542 satoshis. You can see it over here. So much activity going at this price point, which was first acting as support, then it became resistance. So flipping this 542 satoshis into support, which can again expect Hbar to create another impulse wave and go for a new all-time high, and if possible create a new all-time high altogether. So this is for Hbar overall looking bullish on the USDT pair. Bitcoin pair is moving sideways. It needs to flip 542 into support for it to trend higher, in my opinion. Again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, neither I'm a professional technical analyst. So please do your own research. I'm just sharing my views here. Make sure you are subscribed to my Telegram channel and you are also following me on Twitter, because I put a lot of price targets on Twitter as well as on Telegram. You will find the details of both in the description. So the second chart we are looking at today is Lukso, which is on KuCoin, and this is the ticker is LYXE. Again, these all are requested by you, and hence I'm doing this. Also, a disclosure that I do own a very small bag of Lukso. So I had just invested, I guess, around $100 or $200 in Lukso a few months back, and I still hold it. So if you look at Lukso, then the important price point for Lukso is at around $9.2, which you see over here. This was a sideways accumulation and the breakout. So unless and until we hold $9.2 as support, I expect Lukso to go and hit all our higher resistances, because this is a clear cut reversal. So these are the important price points that I have mentioned, and I will also share them on our Twitter and Telegram. But the overall Lukso chart is looking bullish to me, and I think it's just a matter of time before we retest its all-time high. Guys, always remember, any alt that we are trading or investing it, irrespective of what the chart looks like, most of the alts highly depend on Bitcoin. In fact, every alt in the market depends on Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin corrects, irrespective of any chart that you see, this correction is bound to happen. But at times that correction can also be healthy and momentary. So do trade accordingly. So this is looking crystal clear bullish. It's currently facing a resistance at around $15.2, and it's currently getting support on the daily at around $13. But overall, it's looking bullish. It's trending higher. I think if Bitcoin stays in a range or moves sideways, we can still expect another leg up on Lukso. And currently at $13, all-time high at $27. I think it's just a matter of few weeks or months before Lukso goes for a new all-time high. So the next chart we are looking at is XCUR or Curate project. Again, a very interesting project. And this is corrected heavily. If you see, it came down from, this is a wick is still $16, but even if we consider the body of the candle, then its all-time high was at around $10.5, and it came down all the way down to around 60 cents, which was huge correction. And from its low, it's already pumped almost 4x. You can see it's currently trading at around $3.1. So which is a mega pump. You can see this entire pump. And so that is a crystal clear sign of reversal and looking very good. This is looking very bullish to me. Again, any correction over here would be a good dip to buy, because its pivot point is at around $1.1. So this has flipped into support. Any dip would be good buy in my opinion. I can see it going at least till 5.9, so almost $6 in this leg. And of course, it can go for its new all-time high also, depending on the overall market. But this is a bullish looking chart, and any dip, say at around 2.3, this retest, it has happened, but it can again happen if we get some Bitcoin correction. Otherwise, I see this being continuity till at least $6. So this is good looking chart, XCUR, and from here also it's still 100% upside. You can see this is a region where between 4.2 to $6, a lot of choppiness. So the major resistance would be here. And once flipping this into support, it will go for its all-time high retest. If you look at XCUR BTC, again, it's looking very similar to XCUR USDT. So you can see this was a major correction, and now it is pumped. It is pumped almost 3x on the Bitcoin pair, or even 4x. Let me see. So it's looking very identical to, yeah, 285% pump. And this is one major resistance, which you can see currently it is getting resisted by at around 939 Satoshis. So if we get a correction over here, then again it would be healthy. It should hold the first support at 632 Satoshis. and the next support at 450. But overall, this is definitely looking bullish, and this is flipped because a good consolidation and a good breakout. So with the continuation, I expect again to hit all-time high at around 1537 satoshis, because overall this is a good project in my opinion. So again, you can plan accordingly, but XCUR BTC is also looking good. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you like the video. I have tried my best to keep it plain, simple, and direct. Do subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.